Question number 1. Find the first 4 terms in the ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion 3 minus 1 over 3x to the power 5. So this one we can write as 3 to the power 5 1 minus 1 over 9 x to the power 5. So its expansion is 3 to the power 5. Now we can write 5 0 5 1 5 2 5 3 and 5 4. And 5 5. First 4 term 1 2 3 4. We need not to worry about this, so I can write this here 5 3 5 2 and 5 3. Now we have x over 9, x over 9, x over 9 and x over 9. This is negative, so this is negative, negative, negative and negative. We start with the power 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is plus, plus, plus. This is first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So that will be equal to 3 to the power 5 this is 1, this is 1, so that will be 1. This is minus 5c1 is 5 x over 9. This is plus 5c2 is 10 . So this is 10 x square over 9 square. This is also minus 5c3 is 5 x cube over 9 cube plus. So this is equal to 3 to the power 5 minus 3 to the power 5. 5x over 9 can be written as 3 square plus 3 to the power 5 10x square over 9 square means 3 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 5 5x cube, that will be 3 to the power 6 plus. So this one is 3 to the power 5 is 243. This is 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3. This is 27 times 5 is 135. Plus this is 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 5. That is 3 times 10 is 30 x square. And this is minus, we have this, we have here 5c3 is 10, that is so it will be 10 x cube over 3. So this is the expansion and in the simplest form. Question number 2, in a triangle ABC, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. AB is 16 centimeters, AC is 13 centimeters, and angle ABC is 50. ABC is 50. BCA is X. BCA is X. This is angle X. Find the two possible values of X. If we draw an arc from here to join, so the arc can pass through these 2 points. Because this is 13 and this can also be 13. So it is intersecting at 2 given points. Now let's talk about triangle ABC. We have to find the angle. This angle is given and this opposite side is given. This angle is to find, but opposite side is. This angle is 50 and we have to find opposite side, either this or this. So let's see. We use the sine rule. So we can write that sine x over opposite side is 16 is equal to sine 50 over 13 sine 50 over 13. So sine x is equal to 16 sine 50 over 13. So sine x is equal to 0.94. So x is equal to sine inverse 0.94. So that is equal to, we have to write up to one place of decimal, 70.5, and what 180 minus 70.5, that is another one, this one, x dash, so that one is 109.4. So these are the two possible values. One is this and one is this. Question number 3a, y is equal to 5 power x plus log 2 x plus 1. Complete the table below. So here only one column is not filled, that is x is equal to 1. So here and here in these two places we are going to put x is equal to 1. So the y will be 5 power 1 plus log 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 5 plus log a base is 1. So y is equal to, so this value of y will be 6. That's the first part. Now part B is use trapezium rule with all the values of y from the completed table, these values, find an approximate value of this. So this is 0 to 2. Now first, for this rule what we have to find is, so that is equal to half. Now h is this distance, so this is h is equal to 0.5, so that is 0.5 multiply, we have extreme values 1 and 1 plus 26.585 plus twice the sum of these three, the middle values. not the extreme values, so twice the sum of these three. So that will be, this is 2.821 plus 12.502 and plus 6. So if you calculate all these things, you will get it 17.56 up to 2 places of decimal. So that is the area of this. Now use your answer of part B to find the approximate value of this. So 0 to 2, we have 5 dx plus, and this value and this value is same, so we can write it fx dx 0 to 2. The integral of 5 is 5x, and that is 0 to 2 plus, this value is already there, 17.56. So this is 10x. 10x is the maximum value 2 plus 17.56. So that is 27.56. That is the area of part B up to 2 places of decimals. The sketch representing the cross section of a large tent A, B, C, D, E. A, B and D are the line segments of equal length. So we have A, B and D, E. They are equal. Angle FAB and DEF, these two angles are equal. F is the midpoint of a straight line AE, so these two sides are also equal. And FC is perpendicular to AE. If we draw a line here, so this line is perpendicular. BCD is an arc of a circle. BCD, this arc of a circle with radius 3.5 and center. So this is the center and this is 3.5. This is 3.5. Of course, this is also 3.5. This is the center. Given that AF and FE, this is 3.7 each. BF and FD, already told 3.7 each, and the BFD, this angle is given in radian, and this angle is 1.77. Number 1, length of arc BCD, this arc. The length of this arc we have to calculate from here to here. So length of arc BCD will be, say it is L, and L is equal to, we know, r theta. This is part A. Because it's in a radian, so r is 3.5 and theta is 1.77. So length BCD will be equal to do 2 decimal places, 6.195. Part B, the area of sector FBCD. FBCD. So area of sector FBCD. We know that area is half r square theta, so that is half 3.5 square, and theta is 1.77. So that will be equal to 10.84 meters. So this is the answer of first part, and this is the answer of second part. It should appear in meter. So this is area is a meter square. That is the area of this green part. The total area of the cross section of the tent. Now we have to calculate this. Now if you see this triangle, this total angle is angle AFE is equal to pi over 2. This complete angle is pi over 2. Then this angle is 1.77. So this remaining two angles will be, or we can say angle AFB will be half of pi over 2 minus 1.77. So this angle will be 0.685. So this angle is 0.685 radians. Now the area of a triangle is half, this is part C, half AB sin C. So these are two triangles, so we are not going to write the half, we are just going to write AB sin C, or we can write it multiplied 2, so it will be AB sin C. So that will be, now A is, one is 3.7, one is 3.5, and the angle between them is sine 0.685. So that is 8.2. This is the area of these two triangles. And now we are having the area of tent also. So this and this is 8.2, and the area of triangle is 10.84. This is 10.84. So plus 10.84. So that is 19.04 meters square is the complete area of the tent. The circle C has the equation x square plus y square minus 10x plus 6y plus 30 is equal to 0. Find the coordinate of center C. Whenever we have this equation, try to write it separately with the x variable and with the y variable. For example, this can be written as x square minus 10x plus y square plus 6y and plus 30. So I have written the x1s and the y1 and the constant. I have written separately. Now I am going to fill this gap here. Now whatever we have the coefficient with x or the coefficient with y, divided by 2. If it is with y6 divided by 2 and add the, this is 5, and you add 5 here, 5 square, and here this is 3 square. Then with the 0 you also add 5 square plus 3 square. You add with this thing. Now we have this thing. So this is equal to x, just take this extreme, x plus 5 square, and this will be y plus 3 square is equal to 5 square is 25 plus 3 square is 9 and minus 30. So this equation is x plus 5 square plus y, this is minus, because this is a minus, so you are going to use minus. This one is minus x minus 5 and y plus 3. This is 34 minus 4, so this is 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. Now compare this with x plus a square plus y plus b square is equal to r square. So the center is, the coordinate of center is plus minus 5 and plus minus 3. We can write minus 5 and minus 3. You need not to write this. So center will be minus 5 and 3. This is the coordinate of center, and the radius is 2. So this is the answer of part A, and this is the answer of part B. Now part C is the y coordinate of the point where the circle crosses the line with equation x is equal to 4. This is a circle and this is a line, x is equal to 4. Find the y coordinate. So it means in this equation put x is equal to 4. It's simple. So our equation is, this is the equation of a circle, x minus 5 square plus y plus 3 square is equal to r square. Circle is crossing x is equal to 4. So this is 4 minus 5 square plus y plus 3 square, and r square is 4. So y plus 3 square is equal to, this is 4, this is 4 minus 1 is 1, so this is 3. So y is equal to, this is plus minus root 3 and this is minus 3. So this is the y coordinate. And that's the end of the question number 5. Thanks for watching. Now in the next video we'll take the question from 6 to 10. Till then, have a good time and don't forget to subscribe this channel, Maths Rag.